Hey guys, welcome back to another video of TimmyDog577, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a trap. Well, basically like something to defend your house with for beginners. So yeah guys, let's get right into the video. So the things you're going to need is actually very simple, and sorry if you couldn't hear me. I think I was blocking the microphone with my hand, but today I'm going to be showing you how you guys can build a basically something to defend your house with for beginners. So yeah guys, let's get right into it. So the things you're going to need are going to need some going to need get two buttons, or how many buttons you want for this. Some dispenser and some arrows. This is very easy, guys. All right, I know how to make really complex. Leave in the comments below. Okay, so then you're going to need some blocks. If you basically already have a house, yeah. So I'm gonna build like it's just gonna be like a example house. So I just need to find. I always find a good platform to build some houses, but this is just going to be an example house. We're gonna make it zombies invade it. So I'll just do this real quick, and I'll see you when I'm done doing this. So I'll see you when I'm done. Alright guys, so I have built my house as you can see, and yeah guys, and I'll show you the basically the inside of it. It's literally just a cottage, alright guys. All it is, it's just a cottage, okay? So now I'm going to show you how to build it. So you're going to go up top of your house or wherever you want. For this, we're going to go up top. So, alright, now place your dispensers where you want them. Put them right here, right here. There we go. Probably block this off right there. Alright, so now guys, now we have our dispensers. We're going to, I'm just going to split up the arrows, alright? It's just going to be boom. Okay, then put your arrow in there. Put your other arrow in there. And if you want me to do another complex video like this, just leave in the comments. But complex for people that are way harder. Then put your button on it. Now I think this is what you do. Okay. Then boom, you'll be able to shoot it. And yeah. Bro, you just shot it like so far, and you can keep doing that. You can do that, and maybe you can use like redstone repeaters, but that's for another complex video. So now we're gonna do this in the zombies. Alright guys, so this is the final test. I think my arrows are a little too strong because they won't actually show me them over there like I'll show you right now. I don't know. Yeah, it's a little too strong, but so this is real test. Look, so I don't know, say zombies super close to your house, alright? You wanna shoot them down. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. You're literally shooting them and hitting them and you're gonna make them die. Alright. A few more hits. And like I'll try to shoot the zombies like farther, but obviously, it just does work. So just to tell you right now, and this is not that complex, so this is just for beginners, obviously. But so let's kill this guy. Okay, boom. But yeah, I don't even know if this is gonna work. Might hit a horsey. Yeah, see, it goes a little too far. But now maybe, I don't know, maybe if I do this. Yeah. Wait. Okay, yeah. You see the point, guys. Yeah, so that's anyway basically how you do that. And if you like this video, for you beginners, obviously, please subscribe, like, and share, turn notifications, and I will see you next time. Peace.